Are you a tall person who wants to ride an e-bike? If so, you might want to look at folding e-bikes. This is the Mihogo One, which is great for tall people because you can see how high the handlebars go up. Obviously with the seat, you can buy a longer seat post, but the handlebar thing is the real key to a tall guy comfortable bike. I'm 6'1", but if you were even taller, you can see how that handlebar angle would still be pretty good for you. So the handlebar is 51 inches. And that is 32.5 inches from the pedal to the middle of the seat. And what else do you get? Obviously it folds in half. You can put it in the back of your car. You get a 750 watt motor, 48 volts with I believe 29 amp hours, or right about 29 amp hours. There's a battery here and a battery here. Really good disc brakes. A 180 millimeter rotor in the front, a 160 in the back. Get 7 speeds on the back, so if you want to pedal it, you can. And it's got dual torque sensors on here. So it's a torque sensing system, which means it knows how hard you're pushing and it helps you whatever amount you dial up, 1 through 5. So it's a lot smarter than some of the ones where you can just barely pedal and they'll give you full throttle. This one is a lot more both efficient and pleasant to use. It gives you a little help or a lot of help depending on how you dial it in. 20 by 4.0 street tires made by Kenda. Super sturdy luggage rack, places where you can bolt things down. If you want to bolt a box on there, that'd be real easy. Fenders, front and rear. Front suspension lock with a preload and rebound damping and lockout here. And of course, a headlight and a brake light / tail light. And good for tall, good for shorties. Very adjustable. So I think if you're tall, this is probably the best choice. Or a bike like this with this much adjustability. The normal ones, usually like a moped style e-bike is normally one size, but these foldy ones, they give you a lot more adjustment, especially in the handlebars. A lot of bikes will have an adjustable seat, but this one, the adjustable handlebars is the key if you're a super tall guy. And a top speed of 28 miles an hour. So this bike is the Mihogo One moped style folding e-bike. If you want one, there's a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.